Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
The clipboard stores the last copied or cut item for quick reuse. Open any document or browser to try copying text or an image. Select the content you want and press Ctrl+C to copy it. Use Ctrl+X to cut instead when removing original content. To paste, move the cursor where you need the content and press Ctrl+V. You can also right-click and choose Paste from the context menu. This basic workflow works across most PC applications and file editors. Enable clipboard history to access more than the single last item. Press Windows+V to open the clipboard history panel on Windows 10 and later. If history is off, follow the prompt to turn it on in settings. The history shows text snippets, simple images, and small HTML clips. Click any history item to paste it instantly where your cursor sits. You can also pin frequently used items so they remain in history across restarts. This saves time when moving multiple pieces of content. You can manage clipboard contents to improve security and convenience. Use the pin icon in Windows+V history to keep important items from being cleared. Delete single entries with the trash icon or press Clear All to remove all stored items. Turn on Sync across devices in Settings to share clipboard items on your other signed-in PCs. Be cautious when syncing sensitive data like passwords or personal numbers. Clearing history regularly helps protect privacy and reduces accidental pastes of outdated content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.